Hi, this is Arshan. Welcome to my channel. We're going to crack a hashed password with Python in 50 lines. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is my Instagram down here. Follow the Instagram for more videos and stories. Let's go. Before going to write the code, I want to explain what's the crack is, what's the hashes, password hashes. The large companies like Facebook and TikTok or YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, like this, they don't save user passwords like a TXT file, like TXT or UTF-8. They will hash this. So what's the hash? Let me show you in here. So come on here, open your browser and search hash online. The first website is GitHub Pages SHA-256 online tool. Click on it, and here is the website. How the website works. There is input and there is output, and there is a list of types of hash. The hash is like when a user in some websites wants to save the password like this 1234556. It will not save on database like this, on the company database like this. It will save like this. This is a hash of the 1234556 number hashed. And when I change my type like SHA-256 files, this will crack the file for me, or SHA-224. It's a difference on SHA-256. If I hear 1234556, I'll look at the fourth number is for F4E6, and in SHA-256 this is different. Look, 6C92. So we are going to use SHA-256 for cracking files. It's impossible to crack a hashed password without knowing what the hashed password type is it, and without knowing what the password is. It's a digits or just a word. What is it? So here I have some hashed password in my CSV file. Look at here. I have some username and passwords. The first part is username and the second part is password. But I don't know what the password is, but I know they are all four numbers. They are all four numbers. Just it. Now let's go to learn how crack a hash password. We need for the first we need a hashlib in Python. It's a library. If you search it in the browser, it will come up with Python docs. Hashlib, secure, hashed, and message the digits. So it's a really helpful documentation. Read this, and because my files, my passwords, I'm sorry, in CSV files, I should use a CSV library too. So it's a CSV library too. CSV is a type of file. It's very close to Excel files, but it's different. So read this documentation for yourself. It's really helpful. Let's go to code. I want to open my VS Code and create a new file. For example, hash the password. So .python. Here it is. Here. Okay. I want to import a hashlib and import CSV. I have these libraries, so if you don't have, you should install them from your CMD with your pip install. The name of the package, my package is hashlib. You should install it like this, but I have it before and I don't need to install it again. Then I want to open my file. My file is in this folder, the code folder, so I don't need to enter address in my directory. So fhand open. I use fhand for my variable. Open function to my file name sha2.csv. Okay, but it's not enough for opening the CSV file. It's not like txt files in one line to open it. We should write with open sha CSV as if we should write it like this. It's very different to txt files or another files, and I want to read this read csv.reader df right here exactly. So when I write this for in read, it will read for the first read the first line, and for the second read the second line, and it will going on like this. In the every line is created by two parts. The first part is the username, and second part is the password. So I want to separate the username from the password. I want to the zero. If you know the Python, you know the computer start with 0, not the 1. So the 0 part, it will if we print this, print username, not like this. If we do it, it will show us the Jake, Mike, Sarah, and Laura. So what is right? Okay. Then let's delete this. We don't want to print it now. And so I want to write part 0 for this, equal I1 until last, so until end. So at the second part, I want to write second. Let me print this. Print the part 0. Then let's print it and see what it looks like. It's on a list, so it's on a list, and the list is with one variable. So if we see it's in a list, I don't want to be a list because I will to calculate it later. So I should separate it from the list. Part 1. Part 1. It's not a good name for a variable, but okay. The 0, and let's print this now. If we print this, print part 1 first, and if we run it, yes, it's not in a list, and it's just a string. So so let's print the username here, the username. Then print username. So now if we run it, it will show us the username like this, and every time it will change for the first Mike, Jack, Mike, Sarah, Laura. And let's go right to for I in range 100 to 10. I'm sorry, 1,000 to 10,000. It's not a good name for variables like I part 1, part 0, or the another I, but I suggest to don't do it like this. My bad, I'm sorry. So I write this like I want to write ISTR because this range is 100 to 10. I'm sorry, the 1,000 to 10,000 is digits, and we can't hash it, but we need to change it to str, a string. I want to write strdi. So let's write if my hashed password was equal to, if part1 was equal to the hash of str, istr, show me the real password. So here I want to write part0 if equal was to hashlib. Well, what the hell is this? Hashlib sha 200,256, and here my variable name istr, not like this, istr dot encode. And the reason to write UTF-8, and here we should write hex digits. It's because to the line, the 13th line is because to crack the hash the numbers between 1,000 to 10,000. Now I say print the password. The password is the istr, like this. Now let me to run it. If we see here in terminal, let me show you. It will show us it will show us the username, the jack, the password is 1279. So the mic password is 9723. The username of Sarah is 3941. Laura password is 8125. I hope you guys like it. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more videos about Python and programming.